This Christmas tree looks high end, doesn't it? The secret? Every single ornament is from at home and nothing was over $10. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy you are here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a luxurious, Pinterest-worthy Christmas tree, and nothing is going to cost you more than $10 from at home. Let's get into it. And all of these decorations and everything I'll be showing you in this video is going to be coming from at home, and nothing cost me more than $10. I cannot believe it, but it is the truth. At home is a secret hack that most people don't even know about. But if you have a store near you, make the purchase or go online and get what you need. But I want to show you exactly how I created this particular tree. Let's talk about the color scheme. The key to a luxury look when it comes to your Christmas tree is the color scheme. Me personally, I'm a girl who loves her neutrals. I went with the whites, the golds, champagne golds are also in there. Those different colors combined help keep the tree balanced but not look bland and plain at the same time. Texture always matters. There's so many to choose from. You have metallics, you have velvet, the glass look. I've also even added some texture with some stem branches in mine as well, leaves or whatever the proper term is for them, to help give it some dimension and also give that texture as well. Now let's talk about the actual items that you do need to fill up your tree and make it look absolutely stunning. You need ornament styles, and I say styles with an S. We don't want all the ornaments to be exactly the same unless that's specifically the look you're going for, but you want to have a little bit of fun with your tree. I'm talking mix and matching the sizes, changing the colors, or even the type of ornament. You see on my tree, there are some round ones, there are some bell looking ones, just a few little things to give it a little bit of fun and personality, but still looking very elevated, chic, and luxurious at the same time. Then you want to add some ribbons or some bows. The one I chose were not the most conventional looking ones, but I thought they were absolutely stunning with the sparkles, and they had a wide range of colors where I feel like it really tied into my tree and helps once again give my tree a little bit of personality when it comes to that feel when you look at the different items that you have on the tree. There are tons to choose from, tons of ribbons. Find something that works best for you. But I always encourage you to do a little bit extra because why not? It's a Christmas tree. It deserves to be extra at the same time. Next up are these picks. I'm pretty sure it's what you call them. I call them stems, leaves, whatever. We get the gist when we see them. They are a beautiful way to add an element of texture, but also help your tree stand out literally because they poke out of your tree and gives it a beautiful, luxurious feel and touch to it. I got a wide range. Honestly, I just picked them up randomly, whatever I liked, whatever I did see in store that I thought would be a good mesh. I put it in my cart and honestly, it all worked out beautifully. A big piece for my particular tree were sparkles and diamonds and a little bit of shine just to help it stand out a little bit more and twinkle a little bit more when you have the Christmas lights on. So a lot of mine were geared toward that. But I highly encourage you getting some picks, some stems, some leaves just to really add and stick into your tree to help bring it to life a little bit more. And of course, the tree topper. Hello, we need that on our tree. Now, I will say the ones that light up do tend to run a little bit higher in price, but you can still find great tree toppers that are $10 or less. We have stars, we have angels, whatever feels comfortable for you, do so. I love the trend of using these big bows as tree toppers. I think they're absolutely stunning. I may have to incorporate that next year for my tree. And don't be afraid to add unique finds. Whatever you see in the store and it sticks out to you, put it on your tree. It's your tree. You get to see it once a year for just a few weeks. You want to make sure it's a tree that you love and admire every single time you walk past it. The unique items that I personally added to my tree are these glamorous Christmas boxes that are cute for decorations that go around the skirt of my tree. Absolutely stunning. I got them in two colors, more of a champagne gold color and then a silver color as well, just to mix and match and have the variety. And it helps bring in and tie in the rest of my tree. They're actually my favorite pieces of the tree, and they're technically not even on the tree, which is actually hilarious, but they are so gorgeous. But I feel like it helps tie in the vision of the luxurious, glamorous, over the top, beautiful Christmas tree that I envisioned for myself. And there are so many types of tree styles out there. You can 100% go on Pinterest and find a look that works best for you. If you don't have the vision in your head already, Pinterest is such a great place to get that inspiration from. I know popular ones right now are the Ralph Lauren trees or the old money trees, but for me, I'm a glam girl and I 100% do love the typical gold, champagne gold, silver, diamond, star-studded, crystal, sparkling tree. That's actually my vibe when it comes to the tree. I love when it's extra. So every year I can't help myself but to go all out for my tree and keep that look going. So, no matter what your style is, you can 100% have that perfect, luxurious looking tree, and you can get everything under $10. You can go to At Home and make it happen. And if you already have your tree and what you're going to do this year, not a problem. The hack is waiting until after Christmas. Buy up all of the ornaments, all of your decorations from At Home at an even cheaper price, and have them ready to go and saved for next year. So instead of getting it for $10, maybe you're getting it for $4 or $5, which is an even better steal. But At Home really will have so many amazing options for you at a great price, no matter your style, no matter what your vision is for your tree, no matter your personality and what works best for you. It's a good chance that you'll find exactly what you're looking for at home. And if you want more luxurious home ideas, lifestyle ideas, or even fashion ideas without breaking the bank, follow along by hitting that subscribe button. I do this every single week, whether that's through my weekly vlogs where I give you all the tips and the tricks, or I make separate videos like this one. I share all the details for you to have a luxurious lifestyle without breaking the bank, because I believe luxury is a lifestyle, not a price point, and you deserve that too. Now, from this tree, in the comments below, let me know your favorite ornament or something you would like to incorporate into your tree. And of course, when you are making your trees and you have pictures of your trees or videos, tag me in them because I would love to see everything you're working on. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.